Hello everyone, myself Madhuri, Associate Professor, Department of Law, Padmavati University. Today we'll look into what is a company, second chapter, how the formation of a particular company, registration and incorporation process. For the formation of a company should be registered under the Companies Act. Typically it involves several steps which may be depending upon the jurisdictions and the type of the company you wish to establish. Here a general overview I can say that choose a business structure. Determine the most suitable business structure for your company. Common options we can just take it as a sole proprietorship, limited liabilities and private limited and public limited companies which we covered in the last section. Name selection is nothing but the name class. Choose a unique name, appropriate name of your company. Ensure that the name complies with the names regulations of your jurisdiction and it is not already been used or another registered entity. That we have to remember. And the second point is the registered office. Designate a registered office address for your company. This is an official address where legal documents and notices will be sent. Obtain digital signatures are must for this when you want to have a updated businesses. In some jurisdictions, you may need to obtain digital signatures for online submissions and filings nowadays. This is especially important for the electronic documentation and transactions. Obtain the director identification number. If your jurisdiction requires and apply for the director identification number for the directors of a company. Apply for the name registrations and reservations. In many jurisdictions, you need to apply for the reservation of your own company. Once it is approved, the name will be reserved for a specific period. Register office clause is nothing but that designates an office address of your company. This is an official address where the legal documents and the notices will be sent. And there is another important task is that appointment of the directors or the partners. If your company structures requires directors or the partners, appoint them and obtain them consent to serve in these roles. Payment of an office will be another platform where you can see for the registration. Incorporation fees are required by the government authorities. These fees may be vary from type and the size of a companies. Review and the approvals we want to talk. The government authorities will review our applications documents. If everything is in an order, they will issue a certificate incorporation or a similar document officially registered your company. Tax registration will be coming under GST. Register for the tax such as goods or the services if applicable to your jurisdiction. And bank account is must open a bank account in the name of your company. You will be need a certificate of incorporation and other documents for the purpose. And at the same time, compliance ensure that they comply with any ongoing regulatory requirements such as filing and annual reports, holding annual general meetings and paying of taxes. And it is very important to note that specific requirements and procedures for the formation of a company can vary significantly from one country to another. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a legal financial professional who is just and knowledgeable about the laws of our companies and regulations in your jurisdiction to guide you through the process. Thank you.